Thank you for attending this presentation of the Snap Creator Framework. Today we're going to discuss archive log settings in Snap Creator 4.1. Snap Creator's archive log settings are specific to Snap Creator and do not refer to any particular application or database. The archive log settings are used to prune files within Snap Creator that are no longer needed. Do not point the archive log settings toward active database logs, or those logs can be pruned by Snap Creator. The settings should be used if you want Snap Creator to clean up certain files when it runs. For example, the Snap Creator plugin for Domino stores transaction logs that are no longer actively used by Domino, but the plugin keeps copies of them in case of a restore operation. The archive log setting can delete logs that are no longer needed based on the number of days you wish to keep the files. Let's learn how to properly set the archive logs in Snap Creator. Here I have the Domino configuration file that I created in an earlier video. With it selected, I can click on the Archive Log Management tab. By default, this section is blank. However, to enable this for Domino, I can set Log Enable to Y. This isn't a drop-down because you can set additional settings in addition to just yes or no. The archive log retention should be set equal or greater to the number of days of snapshots that you wish to keep. So if your snapshot retention is 30 days, perhaps you want to set your archive log retention to 31 days. For Domino, this means you would always have 31 days worth of Domino transaction logs stored in your change info folder. Set your archive log directory. For Domino, this would be your change info directory /logs, your archive log extension, or files that you wish to prune, and whether or not you would like to do a recursive search. These are the settings that I would use for the Domino plugin. Other plugins may have similar recommendations, or if you have files within Snap Creator that you want to be sure are pruned, you can use this as an example. When done, be sure to save your changes and click Reload. Per these settings, the next time that Snap Creator is run, any archive logs within the change info space older than 31 days will automatically be removed. That completes this presentation of the archive log settings in Snap Creator 4.1. For additional information about Snap Creator, visit the Snap Creator developers community at www.snapcreator.com or visit the NetApp forum on NetApp communities at www.netapp.com/snapcreator.